Okay, like they say, like CDs, right? It sounds clear, but you don't, you may not get the sound quality as records do. Because even CDs have its problems. Because you cannot always get it to, the CDs to play. But like records, it always plays. You can always get it to spin. And when you spin it, right, you got the leading groove, then the continuous groove, and then the spacing when they need it, to space out one record from the other one. So the machine that they use, it's a recordable. It's a recordable record player, a recordable turntable. That's what it is. Because if you saw this video that I saw, has that thing, right, that goes to the label, plus a cutter that cuts the grooves into the master, the black master, which is a positive master plate. And then aluminum is a negative. A negative master plate, which is the hole, which has got a bigger hole. And then from the aluminum master plate, and then they do then the molding process begins. You cannot produce all the sounds on like CDs. It sounds great as CDs. Don't get me wrong on that one. When you take out something that's old and master on a master recordable ribbon and do onto a CD, it sounds different than when you put it on a vinyl aluminum disc. It don't sound the same, because digital is meant for like digital stuff. They've done all this with the old school style. This is old school. New school is it's digital CDs. This is, we call it like the old way. Okay, this is one thing that they don't say, right? That they use two plates, like I said earlier. The history of records go back like that Thomas Edison thing, all that baloney. When the first record was invented, right, it was just a cylinder. What a big deal! You cannot make copies off of that. You cannot make copies off of that. This is better technology, because something flat like this, right? Something flat, Because when something's flat like this, right, a cylinder is a circle, right, but it's like a tubing. You cannot, and that'll be the master cylinder. But the downside of the master cylinder, you cannot make copies off of that. You only can make copies off of a master plate. So this is when they came up with something different. At least you can make copies off of that. You might notice I'm flipping the record over time to time. And these are the record that is on it. And here's the writing. Looks like they wrote on it, and then they try to cross it out. They use like something that looks like engraver, and then they crossed it out. And there's some other numbers on it. You might be able to see it because something that is black is hard to see. Because the original record has that. The only reason why it has that shine, these records have that shine, because remember what she said about black fingernail polish. First, they have to sand it down, and then they have to polish it and put it on what do you call a conveyor, like a treadmill. And it goes under a curtain of some that vinyl. We call what do you call that stuff again? The veneer. And then it goes through there like very slowly. It coats it. It double-sided coats it. And then like manicures, like she said, it has that shininess, real shiny. But it has its flaws. You might notice there's some bumps or unevenness. So that is rejected and is recycled, so it could be reused. So it could be used again. And then they look it over. I could do that. That could be the job for me. And then they say, this is on a screening, they could say the beeping word, or they could do like a double beep. And then they put that the stuff around it, that ring on the outside, and they put a styrofoam. That's to keep it from scratching against other hard disk. So I'll be right back.